Hey, so Zendesk recently released a new update where you can now, within a Zendesk bot flow, fill in custom fields based on actions that the customer did without the customer actually typing that data. Might be a bit complex, but let me show you an example. So what I have is I have a pick a gift flow. That flow basically allows you to allow the customer to go into the bot. They get a list of gifts, they pick the gift they want, and then we store that as a custom field so that the customer can then transfer it to an agent. The agent knows the customer has chosen, and then we go from there. So, hey, can we help you? Yeah, I want to pick a gift. Here's a list of gifts. Then I choose my gift. And then at that moment, we transfer this to an agent who will wrap up the process. And the nice thing is the chosen option will be stored in a custom field. The way this is built is we have our pick a gift flow. We make an API call. The thing I have is just a dummy API that returns some gifts in a JSON array. And we store that returned list of gifts as a variable. Then we create a dynamic carousel based on the gifts. And then the title is gift title, description is a description, so on. We fill in all the images, and we have our choose a gift button, and the choose a gift button saves a response with the name of the gift as the value. And then in our transfer step, we send this to an agent, and we pre-fill the text field chosen gift with the gift the customer has chosen. If we go to a production environment to test, we now have our widgets. We can say, I want to choose a gift, or somewhere in a flow, we pop this up for a customer. Then we choose a gift. I'm going to go for a keychain. Then we're going to send this to an agent. We need an email address. Feel free to email with feedback. And that goes into Zendesk. If you now go into a Zendesk instance, we have our tickets. And if we go to our conversation, then we see, hey, how can I assist? Here are all the gifts I've chosen. And then this gets passed. And if we now go to our forms, and let's say we do our default form, and we make sure that the field is visible for that form. Then if we go back to our conversation here and refresh, now you will see that we have now the chosen gift field filled in. So this can be used for a variety of flows. So either you do an API call and you store data from the returned API data in the ticket field, or if you, for example, would create a bot flow that has a lot of options in its flow, you could then choose or store the chosen option in a custom field. And so, for example, if you look at this flow, how can we assist? And then we have 4 different options. What we could do is then have those options visible, and then in the escalate to agent flow, we could set, for example, the category field for product info, dyno info, and all the other options. So you can really pass information to the agent.